What's up? What's up? What's up? I wanted to let you know about a cool interview and training that I watched the other night. So it's about Bryan. Bryan is a busy teacher and dad of four who stumbled on a simple way to get tons of dozens of leads per day from TikTok. So listen, as we all know, teachers are not paid what they're worth. So Bryan started a side hustle to help him and himself and some teachers to make a side hustle to make some extra cash on the side. So, like in the beginning, whatever platform you're on, there's always a struggle to get leads coming in. But then, boom, Bryan hit gold, and he did it by just using some short, easy to create TikTok videos. In fact, one video recently got 70,000 views in 24 hours. And crazier yet, it pulled in 98 leads in 24 hours. And the thing is, this one is still getting him leads every day. Because as I was watching this case study on this exact TikTok post, I saw a quote or, just a scroll go by inside the chat room from Bryan. And it said, quote, up to close to 200 leads now from that same main featured funnel. It's crazy. This video is still getting him leads, right? So, and this is why I'm telling you this. So, because right now, if you want to check out the replay, I saw that they made the link available, and I was able to get my hands on a copy of it. So I have the link, and they usually don't put up the link again without, you giving up your email address and all that stuff. But it's going to be available. I have it and it's available to watch. And if you'd like to get Bryan's TikTok formula for free, just reach out to me and let me know. And what's cooler is they break it down. And when you watch the video, you'll get to see the 7 reasons why this one post went viral. This way, you could duplicate the same formula for your business and your audience. So if that's something that interests you, let me know and I'll hook you up. Peace.